Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a Husqvarna Z254F Special Edition zero-turn mower. This mower does have a removable floor panel for access to your cutting deck and spindles. There is a mid-back seat. This mower does have a fabricated 54-inch ClearCut cutting deck, as well as cast iron spindles. There's a 6-position setting on this zero turn, as well as large 18-inch rear tires. There is a Kawasaki FR691V engine. This mower does have a premium bagger attached. There are 3 leaf baskets. This bagger is attached at your chute. You have your controls, as well as the controls for your mower with the hour meter, ignition, and throttle, as well as your fuel tank. This bagger can be attached with the chute still on. Once again, this is a Husqvarna zero-turn Z254 Special Edition with a premium bagger attachment. If you are interested in this mower, bagger combo, or you are interested in any other mower we have online, please give us a call.